sun nights fall away. Street lights guide me, they show me the way. Oh, 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 take my hand, I'll lead you home. Escape our fate and walk alone. Turn down the lights tonight, moon's our guide.
Welcome to Larshan!
Love tonight. Let's run from the dawn before it knows we're gone. We dance, we sing, we live, we love tonight.
And welcome to Larshan! Smiley Barbecue!
Let's get lost, ignore the signs. Streets of black and white. Let's come in these lines. Oh, oh.
What I love about the new Larshan is limpyo na kayo siya and attractive. Ang mga staff is so accommodating and dili na kayo ka manibaho o barbecue kay nindot na sila bagong lutuan.
Turn down the lights tonight. Moon's our guide. We dance, we sing, we live, we love tonight. Let's run from the
They provided the table, so it's very specific. And also the barbecue, so lami siya. And also daghan nagkapilian, limpyo. Then I think daghan pa jud i-look forward, especially nag-open up bagong Larshan.
So for me is that the new Larshan as of now is it is more attractive for the customers, and also there are different variation of foods, and also mas